We have assigned 3 zones inside Office, and we are tracking 3 assets inside those zones. Crevavi C-track beacons are mounted on the assets to be monitored. C-track monitor shows laptop 1 is in conference room, whereas laptop 2 and multimeter is in office area. Multimeter is moved from office area to lab. C-track monitor shows the change in location of multimeter. Now, the laptop 2 is moved from office area to conference room. The change in location is reflected on the C-track monitor. Crevavi C-track is configurable for different environment and space. The floor plan, range and zone size can be modified as per actual location of deployment. Visual representation of actual floor plan of customer location makes it even more easy and efficient to locate assets. There can be hundreds of assets monitored seamlessly distributed over a very large area.